Welcome back to the 13 Nights of Samhain. My name is Jody McDowell. I'm a psychic, energy worker, and witch. So today's question is, what music or what sounds are associated with Samhain for me? And okay, to be funny, so the Monster Mash. I absolutely love the Monster Mash. We do the mash, we do the Monster Mash. Yes, I love that song. Being more serious, like, I love the rustling of the wind, and I like the sound of a crackling fire. So I don't have a real fireplace in my townhouse. I have one that plugs in, and it's beautiful. It does a nice job. But when I really want the ambiance, I'll put one of those YouTube stations on that has the beautiful crackling fire and the music in the background and a light rain. I find that tremendously peaceful and brings the calm and the cleansing into my house. That is one of those sounds of Samhain to me. And yes, I like the spooky music with the sounds, the eerie. That is another one of those that is Samhain to me. I don't know that there's necessarily music. There is, but it's not consistent stuff. So there we have it. I know, not the most exciting video, but a couple of things that mean Samhain to me.